Now for this week we went to the motherland. Just kidding. I went to the African store in my area. That's one of the best so far I've seen. It's clean, you can actually get fresh things. And the price, food is expensive everywhere, but trying to eat African food in this United States, it's not for cheap, it's not for the weak. So let's see how much I spent. Last week I went to the Mexican food place market. It's El Supermercado. I spent around $74 or $75. Let's see how much I'm spending at the African store. Sometimes I get my spinach from there, so I wanted to make a meal. I have already a meal in mind that I'm gonna plan, and I went for that thing, but guess what I came out with? A lot. So I actually went to get sombe, PUNDU, cassava leaf. I had to go get this, and I already have a recipe in my head, and it requires things. So while I was shopping, I had to figure out what goes in here. So I got that, the sombe, and this was like, I don't know, $10 or something like that, or $8. I got some bitekuteku. I can't wait to make that, and it's separate from the dish that I'm gonna make. This is dish by itself, and I got 2 of them, and the way you can tell if they're fresh when you're looking at it, it's still green. If it's dark, don't take it, any of this, if you're at any African store. And sweet potato leaf, my husband loves sweet potato leaf, and you can see it's still green. If it's all dark, please don't grab it. I wanted some chicken. This chicken, I want more and stuff, but the taste is not the same, right? So we get this chicken. It's a little harder when you cook it. It takes a little bit longer when you're boiling it. So yeah, it tastes good actually. So we either get our chicken here at this place, or we go to the El Supermercado, or sometimes at Walmart too. It just depends. So with the recipe, like I said, I was shopping for a recipe, right? I needed I'm gonna need some tomato sauce. I'm gonna need some palm cooking oil. I'm going to need some peanuts. This is raw, but you can roast it if you want for the dish that I'm gonna make. I'm going to need some sardine or mackerel, which will be okay. And then I had memory when I saw this salsa tomato paste. I already have tomato sauce, but when I saw this, it just took me back to my childhood. Anyways, anybody African? And then some pepper. So the reason I was missing a couple of things that I already have with me, so I had to go to Walmart to get, you know, this the garlic and bell pepper. I already have some stuff in my fridge that I'm going to use for this recipe. So all these things, let's see how much they are. Did I throw away the thing? Oh yeah. Anyways, no. Here's. So the total is $77.45. As you can see, it's a little bit more expensive. I feel like it's a little bit more expensive than the Hispanic, because this stuff, I guess they're imported from like really far away. Like this cassava is from Congo, so I guess, I don't know if they make it here or whatever. Anyways, so I like to support our local businesses, so I'll go to these shops, and I love to eat the food. Trust me, I love to eat the food, and I'll go to this shop to support people that have small businesses. So yeah, and I love to eat too. So watch out for that video. Watch out if you are interested in how I make my cassava leaf, my sombe, my PUNDU. Go ahead and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.